Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video featuring a car that has not been seen, unveiled yet on the Kev G channel, at least. The B9 S5, newly acquired by my buddy Evan. We decided stock is not cool. Of course it is. This is actually an insane car. We are modding the car already. Decided exhaust, stock, not doing it. So what we have here is actually two boxes. One for my car, and then this one right here is for the B9. This is an AWE track exhaust. Super excited to put this on. We actually just ripped the car a little bit, so what we're doing is waiting for the exhaust to cool down. We're gonna take it off, do a little of the wrenching ourselves. I say ourselves a little liberally, as me and Evan are not so much mechanically inclined. We got the boys in the shop today, gonna be doing a little install, and it's gonna be fun. We're actually doing a few things today. Wanted to make a video separate for each one because each mod really deserves its own kind of video. We got some clips of the exhaust beforehand, just some like revs and accelerations and whatnot, some downshifts, some upshifts, you know, the DSG farts and the S5s. Without further ado, let's get to unboxing. So like I said, this one is mine, a bit smaller. This is a stainless steel system with no mufflers on the track exhaust, I believe. So everything is pretty much bolt on. I mean, pretty self-explanatory as far as where everything goes. Packaged very nicely. These are the tips. If you guys didn't know, AWE sends a little surprise with their stuff. Looks like Evan already unboxed this because his grimy fingerprints are all over it. We got lollipops, which is super cool. Comes with a sticker and then whatever, bolts. These tips are sharp, and I think it's gonna look really nice, especially with this color. This is gonna look clean. The tips are also huge. Let's get my greasy fingerprints all over them real quick, just to show you guys the absolute difference this is gonna make. So, these are the 102 millimeter tip, I believe. It's hard to kind of get a comparison, but it's gonna be a massive difference. Exhaust, commence. So let's set all this out, kind of get an idea of how it's gonna be oriented when it's underneath the car. Install guide. We should probably look at the directions, huh?
Probably not.
One step at a time. This is gonna be the most time consuming part. Every single step along the way, we'll keep you guys updated.
It's gonna delete my valves. I was wondering about that. No more valves.
This is worth it.
I've never had a quiet car ever besides the Q5e.
No, this is gonna sound so mean, dude. We got a visitor.
Says I'll help with the install.
Yeah, right. So like I said, this is the most time consuming process, but it deserves some recognition. This man right here is an absolute stud. For the viewer's sake, we can skip through a few bits here and there. I looked away for 2 seconds. This guy's got the entire thing done. Well, out, which is step one.
Valve mufflers on each side, which is pretty awesome for a stock vehicle.
Yeah, wow.
Especially not an RS, just an S that's pretty nuts.
Should we do a little straight fight?
I think it's only right. Go for it.
Where does the sound come out of? Like the middle of the car?
Right out of the bottom.
Still quiet. That's still very quiet. Wow. No, once we get these pipes on, it's gonna sound so refined and tuned and whoo. Bomb. Just watching. It is a beautiful, beautiful day to make a fast car faster.
If mechanics show up to work on my car in my shop, I'm probably just gonna stand back and let them do their thing.
That's a good call.
It doesn't want to touch your punch. Mid pipe one.
One more piece of the puzzle's out. Let's go. Nice work, sir. Your arms have been like above your head the entire time.
I can't feel my arm right now.
Oh boy.
That's tight.
Dude, you think so?
Dude, the other two are so tight.
Dude, I don't want it to leak. I don't want to come under here again.
I know. I can't get my X forearm in there, bro.
Dude, I'm a skinny little.
No. Why do you think I've got you doing
You
this
guys are
part,
making
bro?
so much work for me in editing. Having to bleep all this out. Alright, cut. What started as just doing a simple install kind of turned into a bit of a impromptu car meet. We got the crew.
The first night of car season.
It's actually like very, very nice out. Back to the exhaust. Oh,
I was just giving it to you.
oh, cool. We are so close with the exhaust, ladies and gents. I think Evan's gonna put the tips on.
Yeah, I'll put one of the tips.
Oh, I gotta put those sensor deletes in there.
Tips look good.
That size is perfect.
Final touches. We're getting things fitted. Evan, I need your opinion.
tips?
Medium rare on tips? A4 style. No. Stagger them like 3 inches, like crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe a little less.
I was gonna say that seems pretty far out.
No, they're supposed to be staggered.
Just a wait that. Oh. What are we thinking?
Someone match these to the other side.
Lining up the tips. I'll stand right here. That way I can see both. Are we done? We're done. My hands look like that, so hers can look like this. Is the exhaust installed?
I'm not gonna let him start.
Not gonna let him start. Let's go! All right, that sounded good, dude.
That's sick. Thank you. What's next?
What's next? Did you hear behind it too?
It's insane. Oh yeah. Up to like 5.
Those crackles are nuts. Full exhaust is on the car and it sounds good. I've already heard it a little bit, but we took it outside. What we're gonna do is just a couple quick revs. We also have to tweak the fitment of the exhaust just a little bit, but we're gonna wait for the boys to get back because Evan and I don't really trust ourselves doing it. Not saying we couldn't outside. Gonna do a couple revs and then a couple flybys. Kind of get the full comparison with AWE. It sounds so much better. So just super excited to kind of get this on film for y'all. I hope it's picking up well in the camera. That is so much louder. So big difference between the comfort mode and dynamic. Obviously, if you don't like the crackles, go in comfort mode.
Well, it's cool is with individual mode too. You can go full dynamic settings, but if you don't like the exhaust as crazy, you can leave the exhaust in comfort and it won't be all crackly, but you can still drive full dynamic settings.
AWE, you did this one right. I'm so excited to put mine on the B8.5. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like this, make sure to subscribe, like the video. Man, this thing sounds nuts. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.